Okay guys, today we are on Williams Virtual World and I am making Oobleck. Let's go. So I'm going to put these on because it's going to be cool. So 1 cup of water, 1.5 of 2 cups to cornstarch. Okay guys, I got that out. Oh no. How much should I use? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to put it here. There's still. Ow. Now we're going to mix it. Do you guys want to know what this is? It's a this is a liquid and a solid. So the difference is from a liquid and a solid is solid stays one way and it's hard, but liquid is well, it's where it changes forms. Ew. Oh. Let me try punching it. It's a solid. So it's a liquid and a solid. This feels weird. This is so weird. Oh my. Look, it literally looks like I'm bleeding. Now it looks like candy cane. Come on, just mix. Okay, I think this is good. So, now it literally looks pink. This is literally so crazy. Okay, you know what, guys? I think you dared me to put both of my hands in, so you know what I'm going to do. Ooh. You puppy. So, guys, by the way, if you guys think that this is a liquid or solid, it's both. You probably just have to keep going also. I'm not even doing any damage. Oh my, you can literally just let it sink you to the bottom. Dude. Okay guys, so my dad wants to play with this too, so we are going to end the video right here. Make sure to give my videos a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.